Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, 8-way power driver's seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, UCONNECT voice command with Bluetooth, rear power sliding doors, second row stow and go bucket seats, third row stow and go with tailgate seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number PS6074.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.